Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. IBRAH Mukasa gemanya gange akadde kano olunaku olwalero essaawa eno tuli n'omukyala Shanta Namuyimbwa. Bad Black Mama Jona.
Mama Jesse nga bana bangi Manjo Jesse.
Oli mbana bameka?
Ndi mbana bana.
Otutuukidde wano obadde waliwo omukyala abadde olubuto ng'asuubira n'omugamba nti gwe wabivaamu. Kinnyizeemuko kinkoze bubi.
Sabivaamu mbadde mukubaganya adde ku family planning.
Oli ku family?
Sikozesa family. Sikozesa family IBRAH.
Anti family?
Family by the way is nema.
Family zizino tulina akaweta ke bateekayo eri ne wabaawo obukerenda ne wabaawo okuba empiso.
Naye nze siri ku family olw'ensonga ekyangano ogenda ku family. Chance eyinza oggwanga ogenda zaala mwana wa prime minister ate family nga tennaggwako. Nze neekuuma bwekuumi. Mbeerawo nga ndi mubazi wa ddiiro.
Kati okola otyo obutafuna mbuto gwatakosa family?
Kati it depends bintu bingi nnyo. Si buli mbuwo gwawo ofuna olubuto naye nga sirufuna era ndaika ono mwana gwe nazzaako yali myaka 8 okumuzzaako gwalina kati omwaka ogumu itumizi kati agenda 9. Sizaala
bakubaza batya?
Nakkiriza.
Wakkiriza?
Nakkiriza nzaale.
Waliwo omukwano gwange yali annyumiza emboozi tali ku famire kati omusajja yali mu kaseera kali saawa y'okufuna olunaku komawo.
Kati abakazi kye batamanyi you don't need family.
Yeah.
Family planning nzo ndowooza family planning ezikungiriza obanga oli mugayaavu. Abaana they have positions engeri abaana gy'osobola okufunamu olubuto. Positions ziba za njawulo. Si bulimbu buli wogwawo nga mugenda okukola akabozi k'ekikulu nti oluba lubuto.
Goina specific position nawe muga n'olufunira.
Bwe manjagala omwana n'enkya mufuna.
Soko tugerezeemu kaawo obeera bwoti obeera bwoti.
Nkuba go down enteekateeka.
Hey!
Beera mu enteekateeka ne ziba nkambwe nnyo.
Gye biggwera?
Ng'omwana zera ngenda mbashuwa actually after 2 weeks omwana aba mbashuwa. Eyo ye nkambwe nnyo era abatazaala senga bampa inbox. Ne mbabuulirira tasobola kugaana.
Omubbira za enteekateeka.
Naye kati golowooza ogwawo kyabujasi omwana anajja obanga mujasi.
Wangi? Owaaye Jona ali atya?
Gye bali balungi oyo akuze. Akuze.
Jona ali myaka emeka kati?
He's making 12 years in October.
Okay.
Agenda weze mwaka 11.
Okay. Taata wa Jona ali atya?
Mulungi mu Portugal gyali. Mulungi.
Ali Portugal?
Ali South Sudan kati. Ali South Sudan ku contract anti engineer. Ali South Sudan.
Omuwala ye Davina?
Ye Davina.
Davina ali atya?
Mulungi.
She's so beautiful. She looks so beautiful. Nekimu buli oyogera ebintu ebimuyisa bubi.
Bitya.
Bimuyisa bubi era olumu yansangako lumu eyo westajja kogana ngamba buli okola interview ku Black abeera njogera kakola si kirungi. Si
kirungi olw'ensonga kati kimutagenda mbaana bataano buli mwana ne taata ne maama we.
Okakasa.
Kimu musirise silent but sure. Silent bana.
Nekimu yakugamba bigambo ki bannange byakutengula emmeme.
Tewali actually being nali 22. 22 ndaiko omuntu oba muto bwe kiri.
Yeah.
Ate ye naye yali mwana muto. Bintu bya walaje ebyo.
Okay, omulungi atulaba tuline Bad Black, Shanta Namuyimbwa. Bad Black is my good friend. Mwanyina ngo omulungi omubwati ayakabwati ne Black oyaka
nalemerako mukadanyirira
yibale kyogereko oli mu myaka emeka?
Ndi wa 89.
Oli wa 89 je myaka 3 kati
mu July mpeza 32 naye kyendaba ku social media nejjusa.
Lwaki?
Emyaka okujogera abantu bavayo bali myaka 2 ng'omulengerera ddala mbu
ng'ayenje buse
olina enzaalo nnyo oli wa 22 watandika kuzaala ku myaka kale tumanyiddwa nnyo naguno omulembe.
Naye onyirira Black.
Omusajja ampa emirembe IBRAH.
Wangi?
Omusajja yampa emirembe.
Bubadde kyobwo bujogoli kyobwo bwakola obwo obwenjawulo omusajja oyo kugamba naffe tubukolere bakyala baffe.
Omusajja ono teyayagala nnyo kunkyusa kunfuula kyesiri.
Okay.
Yanjagalira ampa emirembe peace. Nagajja n'ogajja olina lwankola nga ndeka bu video ngaki.
Ng'osazeemu ko.
Obutama busongose naye kati olaba ettama lengera kwe gamba ndikiri ya muzigo.
Muzigo. Omusajja yali mu mbeera ki yali bulungi naawe omukolera by'olina omukola ng'omukyala
alabika bulungi nnyo bwe nkuteeka akafaananyi ke before and after omusajja alabika bulungi
kabeera ng'akange kali
akakuba nange kali mwenna obwamu obufaananyi before and after bukubisa atyataaka so nze nkubiriza omukazi bw'afuna omusajja amufeeko atyataaka yennyini ibula
akafaananyi kange ako kakusangawa
kafaananyi kansanga ku mukutu. We do the media.
I know. You run the system.
I run the system here about the media.
Kakati. Zino enviri naludo ziraba mpanvu nzibu ate zinyirira biti zibayita batya zino.
Biwanvu bino. Njagala nnyo oba basire ku Brazilian something like that.
No Brazilian. Kati zino za mmeka.
Milioni emwe emitwalo 8 zino enviri mwe zibeera.
Milioni emwe emitwalo 8 zigula ploti.
Onaba nazo. Ouga nazo kati kano nkawangazze emyaka tegiri ebiri.
Ani yakagula kano?
Nze ndi hasla naawe okimanyi. Nze ndi munoonyi wa nsimbi buli koona wano Kampala yonna.
Yuwa n'embezola.
Si kya embezolinga nnyo. Abantu nabeesonyiwa.
Extra Digest mugoba nsonga Ibrahim oba Ibrahim Kasagemanya gange tuli ne Bad Black. Mama Jona, Mama Davina, Mama
Jesse,
Mama Majo. Abana gye bali butabike yewaka.
Bonna gye bali. N'abaana mbakuza kingeri ya kizungu. Si bino byakwasamira banneiba.
Banayo muzigo gutama.
Omuzigo gutama mukama abadde akyabinnyambye.
Oli n'asiika mukene n'ayingira emizigo gyonna n'abawunyirira.
Oli bifuna. Ndi mu kikopleti.
Waliwo yali aŋŋamba awo n'ambuuza n'aŋŋamba IBRAH onyumya ne Black oyo naye mutubuulize. Essente ezaagula ennyumba eba ezagizimba baatuga Black yaggwamu yazijjawa. Wanji. Aha.
IBRAH ebimu byerekereze. Abasajja onoonya bansaleko.
Wanji.
Drone.
Wanji. Nawe drone ogitya?
Sijitya. Drone doesn't claim me sina kyemamba koze.
Okay.
Baba bannayuganda ba intelligence za muno. Yeah, so I don't fear drone. Babera tuwene bagenda kumbuza. I'm not a politician.
Yeah.
I have no party.
Yeah.
Kati drone yebe nnonera kyewange. Sina gwe mpagira. Ajja yanfuga.
Yeah.
So drone sibiyingira namu I'm minding my own business.
Okay.
Bakole bye baagala n'ensi yaabwe. So drone yebe nnonya kyewange.
Black, waliwo amawulire gabadde gayitingana ku social media mukwano gwo Medisentongo nti ayina sente z'abantu ze yatutte kigambibwa ono omuwala gwe bayita Debbie ow'Ebungereza emiliyoni oba 185 oba emiliyoni 885
nange we nasooka obiwulira nabangamba miliyoni 4 nenkubira media essimu but nze ndi investigator ndi mukyala mugezi nnyo omuwala talina najjajja wadde miliyoni 2 mukwano. And I had the information yanti mukazi wa Big High.
Mukazi wa Big High?
Simanyi oba bali mu relationship. Siyo gwe yazalamu omwana ow'e London.
Alabika.
Yo Big High gwe yazalamu omwana wabula Big High muganda wange naye abonyeebonye n'abakyala. Naye nge oli omwana ndeka abadde banoonya comeback. Banoonya attention y'Abannayuganda. Naye ng'omuwala talina ezo ssente Bubadi ngera omanyi ababbi we babeera Bubadi.
Lwaki media oba omuwakanira osanga bituufu omuganda agamba wali omukka.
Simuwakanira it depends omukazi gwe bazibbako. Mukazi talina ezo ssente IBRAH.
Okakasa.
Teziriiwo. Ate ne med being nti mumanyi teziriiwo. Ne voice note mbuyina.
Oba medi?
N'obw'omuwala. Kubanga era namukuya ne mugamba medi. Obba otya miliyoni 4 n'otampaako. Ani anaakuwolereza? Mwakola
endagaano nti bwabba alina okuwaako.
Si endagaano. Aba alina okukola obuntu bulamu. Tutobye. Nabonaabona nnyo.
Anti ate wamuzzaako kiba kiruma.
Namuzzaako abasajja awo nga 4.
Okakasa.
Bukya mukyawo.
Singa abaakubye essimu essaawa eno n'agamba nti biganye nsaba tuddemu.
Tekikyasoboka tekiriiyo. Kiringa onogamba omwana okumuzza mu lubuto lwa maama we. Nze ne medi tekikyasoboka tekiriiyo wadde mu birooto because kati mulaba ng'omuntu wa bulijjo.
Yeah, mkitegeera.
Mulaba ng'omuntu wa bulijjo tewakyali feeling, there is no capacity yonna eyingira mu mutima gwange. Takyalina wadde oluku wadde shortcut. There is no shortcut to enter
kakati
my heart.
ogambye Medi bw'aba afunye ssente engeezo aba alina okukukubira
Nampa ku ssente.
Singa wabawazeewo obuzibu n'omuwolereza.
Sina buzibu bwokka. Nti ye Medi ekituufu akimanyi. Nze neebaka mukomera emyaka 2 n'emyezi 8. Ng'ate ekituufu ye waba akimanyi nti ssente ezo oluusi ziba zingwana nga mukwano gwe.
Oyogedde ku kumuwolereza n'omutaahiriza oli looya.
Muwolereza mu kooti tuzisiibamu. Ate kooti zaano truth sijja kulimba. There is no justice in these courts za Uganda. So I think kooti za Uganda ina ssente ya wangula. Muntu wa bulijjo tafuna justice.
Black, you're talking about justice. You want to say when the other white man took you to court, he didn't get justice?
Nze safuna justice.
Naye wali owaabiddwa. Ate gwe justice wali ogyetaaza ki?
Nali mpaabiddwa, but the court would have put in consideration nti omusajja yayagala omwana wa myaka 19, teyasoma, ebintu bwe bityo. Kati bo omusajja mukulu myaka 5 tebagezawo okulaba n'omusajja yali ankozesa kubanga yali akola money laundering.
Money laundering mu Luganda kye kiba ki?
Okukusa ssente oba bakiyita kukusa ssente. So like safuna justice nga nali njagala obumotoka bwonna babusigaza ku side semaya ne bugenda ganaga naye nganzo manyinze ni mulonyi wa ssente sikabira mataga yisi. Extra
digest mugoba nsonga IBRAH Kasagema tuli ne Bad Black eranga olwokusaba kw'abangi. Ka session akaddako bwe twasembayo kubeera naye wankakasa nti John akuyigiriza oluzungu. Nina abagoberezi baffe abali e London, abali e US, abali e South Africa, abali South America, abali Asia, abali Japan, Korea, zombi eyo mambuka ya Maserengeta n'abali South Africa wano. Nga batera okumpereza obu messages ne Nigeria abanyi nga bangamba IBRAH, we love your programs but we don't understand the language. So mbadde nteesa ka session akaddako tukakole mu luzungu.
No problem, we can start. We can start English.
Okay, Bad Black, someone's watching us right now would love to know. You talked about having an introduction whereby you introduce your man to your parents. How far with the preparations so far?
Very soon, IBRAH. We are preparing. Yeah, the introduction is going to be motivated.
Yeah.
And suspended. It's like that.
Well, that's very good. So, where is it going to take place?
In Uganda, of course. I'm a Ugandan.
Yeah.
I'm a Uganda.
I know.
We shall get some venue here. Hey, we started the introducing.
Okay. So let's look at the entertainment, the musicians going to perform that day. So far, who are those few you've decided to put on your list?
The musicians.
Yeah.
For this year.
Yeah. For your introduction, those ones who are going to perform at your introduction.
Actually, the person ataina kumisinga. I love Wininwaji.
She will perform. That's very good.
I will talk to the management.
Okay, that's very good.
When I start preparing my budget, etc.
Okay.
Wininwaji.
Who else?
There is this guy called Drake Ali.
Oh, I love him.
Yeah, he's a new boy on Brock.
Yeah.
He's loving.
Okay. Who else?
Lydia Jasmine is trying. Lydia, by the way, no. Teyakwetondera. She didn't apologize to you.
Wow.
She did, I think so.
Okay. So will she perform? Will Jasmine perform?
Of course. And most of those musicians are promoting her with their songs.
Okay.
Let's
talk about the way you're going to the clothes you're going to put on. Will it be culture wear? Are you going to put on?
I'm not a culture person. Silly culture.
Won't you put on a gomesi?
Gomasi. Gomasi fitting up people with bam bam.
So you don't have a bam? You were what?
Flat landom.
Flat landom, what does it mean?
In the flat, I have no bam bam.
Oh, I get your point. Yeah. Black, let us Tell us, are your parents okay with the introduction?
Very okay, even if they are not okay. It's my choice, my dear. I'm 31.
Okay. Let's talk about the side, or the other side, the parents of the man, your husband, your boyfriend, your hubby.
My darling.
Oh, so what's their take about your introduction?
I think they are okay with it. Even if they are not okay with it, they have no choice.
Okay.
The boy is in love.
Okay. Let's talk about cross-generational sex, whereby a woman falls in love with a young boy. Out there, people come out and criticize, but Black fell in love with a young boy. The boy is still young.
But IBRAH, I'm not older than Madonna. Madonna, I think age doesn't matter.
Okay.
What matters hearts when they connect.
Okay. So you want to tell me your heart's connected?
We connected in every way.
Okay.
Even if we don't connect, I'll make it connect.
Forcefully?
I am begging.
Okay. Then, the other issue people would love to know, is your man comfortable with these kids you have, who you produced in different men?
I said that is my past. We don't move in the past, we move in the future.
Okay.
Yeah. Ella, if he wants to have my past, let him go back to school to learn history. Wali past is avant. I'm not a historical person that he has come in my life to learn my history. Let him go to school and learn history if he needs to know history. What matters, it's now.
Doesn't he ask you when are you going to give birth for
very soon? How? Even if I'm pregnant.
Actually, I heard the rumor on social media that you're
pregnant,
expecting.
How
many months so far?
Very soon. Which doctors are many on social media?
Oh, so you won't speak?
I won't speak about my baby.
Okay.
Very soon.
Talking about witchcraft and witch doctors, have you ever been to a shrine?
Of course.
How many times?
That white man disturbed me a lot.
So you decided to go to witchcraft?
Ebola.
Wanji?
Those witch doctors, they are thieves.
Are you sure?
They took money. I thought they are not going to sentence me.
Hey.
In the morning, I went in court looking like a boss. A judge told me, you're guilty. I'm here sentencing you 7 years.
Did you collapse?
I said this witch doctor ate my 10 million for nothing.
So who took you to the witch doctors?
I have friends. I have friends. You know, bad peer groups.
Yeah.
I thank God in a local come, Islam come, and Quran. But I tried witch doctors. They are thieves, real good thieves. They can even make, they can create something.
So, you know, normally they tell us when they tell you to do something, these witch doctors, when they tell you to do something and you don't do it in the right way, things don't work out. Maybe they told you to do things and you didn't.
I think IBRAH, you watch a lot of Nigerian movies.
I used to, but now I don't.
That is in Nigerian movies. Here in Uganda, things are not like that. Those witch doctors also, they are scammers. Bafere.
Omusuubuzi awangalire Uganda n'awangalire China nkugamba nti kampani emu egenda okunaazaako ennaku bagiyise Sun Cargo Shipping Company nga bano bagenda kusaabaliza emaali okuva e China paka Mombasa mu nnaku 18 zokka ate nga gwe omusuubuzi ateteeganyizibwa olw'essente nga zibulako ez'okusuubula aba Sun Cargo mwana wattu bakuyamba okujjulirizaawo essente n'osuubula ekyo ky'oyagala okusuubula okireete katale kitambule bulungi bw'okituusa n'obaddizaawo essente ate naawe ayagala okusuubula nga ky'oyagala okusuubula okimanyi naye tomanyi wekisangibwa mu China mwana wattu Sun Cargo Shipping Company bajja kuvuga butereevu mu China mwonna osuubule ky'oyagala okusuubula ate bamale bakikusaabalize okuva e China paka Mombasa ate okuva e Mombasa bakikuvugire paka mu warehouse ez'enjawulo mu Kampala mu ggwanga Uganda. Sun Cargo Shipping Company ku lw'abasuubuzi n'ensuubula ennungi beekwate. Muganda wange awangalira mu bitundu bya Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah nkugamba nti company eriemu ezze okubanga ekubangula mu byenjawulo. Company emanyiddwa nga Roast Coffee Academy nga bano bakafulu mu barista, latte art, manual brewing trainings, coffee roasting ne coffee profiling nga bano basangibwa mu Abu Dhabi okuliraana Al Wada Mall ku luguudo olumanyiddwa nga Airport Road. Beekwate bwe bamala okuteekateeka n'okutraininga bamala ne bakunoonyeza omulimu. Obeera era okyasoma bwoti nga bo bakunoonyeza mulimu era nga nkubira bannayuganda omulanga abawangalira Abu Dhabi, Dubai ne Sharjah. Mwekwate Roast Coffee Academy era nga trainer amanyiddwa nga Tiger the Trainer. Gwolutuka ku Roast Coffee Academy awo mu bitundu bya Alwada Mall obuuza bubuuza nti mwami Tiger the Trainer aliwa. Buli kimu nga kitambula kawerete. Beekwate buli kimu kitambule bulungi nnyo. Okay, where is that witch doctor found? Try to direct us.
Masaka.
You went to Masaka?
Chiboga.
Where
Chisoga.
else? Chisoga.
I went into many places.
How about in the east? Mbale, Jinja, Iganga, Busia. Did you go there?
Iganga they have.
You went there as well?
Baina.
Okay. So do you regret going to witch doctors?
I regret a lot. I wish I just accepted my case and I saved my able money than being scammed in Buchino. Manya. If you find these Mayembe doctors, they close the door, it become dark. I mean, they start slapping you.
Are you sure?
Those witch doctors, they slap you inside the chilling until you're in darkness.
What are Mayembes called in English?
Over Mayembe, over Koni. I don't know.
Okay, hello everyone, it's IBRAH Mukasa. We are with Bad Black and you're watching us on Extra Digest Mugoba Nsonga. This session is strictly for English and I want to dedicate it to my beautiful mom, Hajat Zainab Mikdad, that is in Denmark. I love you, mommy. And others plus others. Okay, Bad Black, getting back to you. You are a classy lady. I'm seeing
a little bit.
I'm seeing an expensive phone. Where did you buy it from? Who bought it for you?
I'm a hustler. I survive. I hunt and I survive.
Hey, you a hunter?
I'm a hunter.
Where do you hunt from?
In Kampala.
And who do you hunt? And what do you hunt?
I hunt. There are people. By the way, in Uganda, how many people in Uganda? Millions and millions.
40 million.
So I survive on them.
All of them?
Some of them.
So what do you sell to them? What is that commodity?
Nothing.
What product do you sell to them that they buy?
Born intelligent.
Oh.
Born intelligent.
There are men who stalk you around. We were told that men stalk you on Facebook, via calls. How do you handle those stalkers?
I think men, they no longer stalk me.
Why?
They fear me.
What happened?
So. I expose them immediately when I get pissed off.
Okay. So what if when you engage yourself in a relationship with a man, why do you go on exposing them, telling the public, I slept with this one, I slept with the other one, and whatever? I'm
not exposing them, but you know these men also. Sometimes they can sweet word you, after getting what they want, they turn.
And what is that in particular?
They get my subi.
Give me five.
They eat my subi and they want to change from me.
Okay.
No, my dear, when you date me, sweet talk me until I get tired.
Hey, so it's you to give up on the relationship.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm a woman in the Mombeja.
Okay.
I'm like princess.
So, don't you think one day one of these guys will take you to court and sue you?
For what? You Bula.
For defamation.
On your age and on my age, do you think I fear court?
I don't know.
Do you think I fear prison?
I don't know.
No, my dear, I no longer fear those steps because I'm an ex-convict. I've been to all police stations in Kampala. So what is new? Unless you have evidence. Without me, I have evidence. I always keep evidence. So if you don't have evidence, you cannot accuse me. I don't fear those shit.
So currently, how many men are you dating of late?
I'm dating one. I've been one. When I'm in love, I'm in love.
Are you contented with that one man?
I'm very contented and satisfied.
Okay.
In any area, in every area, I'm
Sometime back we heard you ranting on social media claiming that the fathers of your kids don't take care of them. Case in point, our brother Chibirige, Kim Swaga and others, you were complaining they don't take care of the kids. They leave the kids for you.
About that Kim, I think it's in a good news of which is not very important. First of all, Davina Mukazi. So mukazi jafumbirwa kye kibeera ekika kye. I have no time for those nonsense IBRAH.
Okay. So how do you survive of late? How do you survive? What do you do?
I'm a hustler, IBRAH. I'm a hustler.
I want you to inspire people out there and tell them what you do so that they get inspired.
Let them
and
stick
start
on their jobs. Let them stick on their jobs. Me, I'm a hustler. I'm a dealer.
Of late, we've seen you not traveling. What happened? Were you banned from moving out of Uganda? You no longer travel?
Actually,
you last traveled to Malaysia, Dubai?
Malaysia. Yeah, actually in Dubai, when I was in Dubai, my passport got lost.
Okay.
Nenji reporting they found it, ne batajijja mu system, nenkomawo nenkola endala. So mu Dubai system I have 2 passports.
Which is illegal.
Yeah, so that's the problem I have with Dubai.
So you're not going back to Dubai anymore?
But I will go back because also I think suspension eweddeko. So in Malaysia, I love Malaysia airport very close. They don't allow us. Yeah.
What are you going to do to Malaysia?
I told you I'm a dealer, a blended dealer.
We have dealers who deal in oil, dealers in gold, dealers in arms, firearms, dealers in firearms, dealers in motor vehicle, dealers in jewelry. What do you deal in exactly?
Dealer.
We let it just like that. Dealer.
Yeah, but I don't do. See, I don't get myself next to dangerous things like arms, blah blah. But the rest I deal. Cut gold is okay. You
deal in gold?
I can deal in gold if business comes. I can.
Okay.
Minerals is a gold.
Yeah, is a gold.
Mafuta. I'm a dealer, IBRAH. That's why I'm surviving, my dear. I'm a dealer. Just smart. Born intelligent.
You're smart in the brains.
I'm obwongo busale.
Okay.
In the born knowledge.
Actually, how is the other Muzungu who took you to prison? The other David.
David, I've taken a lot, many years actually. I last saw him in 2016 at airport. 2017 at airport.
Which airport was that?
Entebbe.
Okay.
Yeah. I saw him at Entebbe, then I saw in Dubai, I was coming back, then he was coming to Uganda and he was like, where are you going? Are you going in Uganda? They are going to arrest you. I replied, my dear, you a foreigner, they will arrest you, not me, I'm a Ugandan, that's my home.
Does he still have money?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Someone was telling us that you bewitched both of them, the man and the other, his new catch, the other dark-skinned lady. You bewitched them. The relationship didn't work out.
He's a manalizer.
Womanizer.
They call it what? Baba itabatiabo.
Oh, womanizer. Yeah.
Yeah. He doesn't settle in relationship. Settling this against Zala buli wamu is like a rabbit. So
did you bewitch them?
He just fell in love. I was so young and beautiful, black beauty.
There is when they say that man was put in a kaboto.
He gave me
a
all that money.
Kaboto. Did you put him in a kaboto?
Actually, you know me, I'm honest.
Yeah.
I didn't put him in the bottle by that time. But after he took me to court, I put him in the bottle.
Are you sure?
So he can be deported. I stay in my country.
But did it work?
It didn't. But now the man became a Ugandan and he tell me even he goes in the market.
So you put him in a kaboto. He jumped out of the kaboto.
He jumped and now he's stuck. He be every month. Hey.
Oh my God. So what is the difference between white men and black men?
The difference is very big.
Who is the difference? Share with us the difference.
The difference is very, very big. Actually, a black man cannot compare himself to a white man.
In terms of what?
In terms of money, caring, faithfulness, honest. Black man cannot compare. And actually, most of white men, they don't believe in polygamy.
One man, one woman.
Yeah, but in terms of sexuality, a black man will never be compared to anything. A black man can satisfy you in any way, in any corner.
So you mean these black men are good in bed?
They're so good. A black man is very strong in that position. But if you want a black man, ask for money.
They will run
They are
away.
so stingy. They are so stingy.
The black men, eh?
And they are not honest. They are not satisfied with what they have.
Okay. So you talked about them being strong in bed.
Yeah.
So you resorted to black men. You no longer fall in love with
if I need
what?
to be satisfied this way, if
In
I
sexuality.
was single, I need a black man in my life. If I need financially,
You go to a white man.
a white man can
So how will you
provide.
balance it?
No, but right now I am not interested in, because I used to think like that years ago, but now I'm satisfied with what I have, because the man I have is like a white man. Yeah, a white man in a black body.
Tell us, how is your friend Jaja Mwami, aka Brown White?
Thank you for asking that question. Wanange Jaja Mwami, where are you? Where have you hidden yourself? Do you know that even as we used to be a billionaires, we went down
I know.
to nothing.
You
We
collapsed.
became homeless. Jaja Mwami, come back on broke man. You stand. You can make it. Born lucky, always be lucky.
Did you hear from Jaja Mwami? Do you hear from him?
Long time. I think he no longer even want to look at me, because I said the truth. I told him he's faking the sickness because he
You
wanted,
exposed him.
Yeah.
Which was not good.
Yeah, because he wanted to see president. For what? All of us will survive without meeting. I have never met President Museveni, but I survived.
But do you wish to meet him?
President? I'm not sure. If they want me, they can call me.
So who to call you? Should the president call you?
Or a secretary, anyone, if they're interested. So me, I don't chase bags.
Let's talk about meeting the president. If it happens today and you meet the president, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, what are those first statements you tell him?
To help all street girls, by the way. The only thing can make me to meet president if he can consider all prostitutes in Uganda, because those girls, they are not on they are not on loads because they wish. Some of them, they are victims.
It's not their wish.
Yeah, some of them oba baita mumbera chi. I've been there, so that's why in zenwanira nyaba bawala bamalaya IBRAH. You allow me even to say this in Uganda.
Say it.
Ensonga yoke yaninabisiza President Museveni. I'm not a politician. I'm not his supporter or opposition. I'm not a politician. I'm not a fan of politics. It's a dirty game, so I don't go there. And I'm raising my children. But the only thing, if I meet president, to help those street girls, aba finding reko somewhere anga like walaba America. Aba considering even nowadays abasajja nabo betundira ddala.
Are you sure?
They come in my inbox in my dear, my sex worker, any sugar mommy, it's like a little boy. Some of girls very affected. You kati bafuna sirimu in those processes betaga kufuna ku buyambi taso bafuna obuje ebintu bwe bityo project bwetyo yansonga ekasobola okumitingisa muzeeyi. If it's not that, I'm not interested, IBRAH.
You're not interested in meeting
the
president?
No, I'm not interested. Unless they call me in State House, tuogere ku bizibu by'abawala abo bamalaya abo
if the president happens to choose you and they give you an opportunity to choose the ministry you would want to head, which ministry do you prefer in all ministries of Uganda?
I think in
government. That is gender.
Yeah, abakyala. Njagala nnyo abakyala, ba single mothers, those street girls, because I have been there. Bamama mbamanyi nandibadde okutwalako nakiwala ekifo, because to be honest nakiwala byakola tabitegeera.
Are you sure?
No, tabitegeera naawe.
But she's a full minister.
I know she's a full minister, but sometimes tosobola kuddira maama n'omuggyako omwana ow'emyaka 6 mbw agenda akule ne taata. What is that? Omwana abeera tanneetuuka, nzi tata Jona yali agala kutwala Jona on 4 years. naye nga etteeka terimukkiriza until 14 years at least to 18 omwana nga yeesalirawo. Addidde omwana w'omukazi amuwadde omusajja alina omukazi omulala. Amanyi ba step mother how they mistreat our children. Nze my step mother, she was very tough. Yakwata ne pasi n'agyokya muto wange neevaako eddiba.
Okay, tuli ne Bad Black IBRAH Mukasa gemanya gange. Bad Black tuwayawaya muko naye once in a while. Actually, getting back to English, how was your Valentine's Day? Where did you spend your Valentine from? Who was your Valentine? How did it go?
I'm in relationship IBRAH for almost now. We are going in 2 years.
Oh.
I made my Valentine so adventurous.
Okay.
We were at home.
Okay.
On the balcony, red candles, and my sexual injuries. English music, love songs, Celine Dion.
Okay.
So the moment was like I'm looking at the sky.
I know. Oh my
and I was
goodness.
like, wow.
Wow.
I'm in love. Happy Valentine, darling. He bought me a plastic flower.
Oh.
With a letter, love letter. I posted it on
Did you like it?
So much because it was coming from the heart. I got him some stockings, label stockings, perfume. It was so loving that night. My Valentine was spent adventurous.
How did it end?
It ended when I was drunk.
Yeah. Why?
In Kama Citra. Hey.
Give me five. So you people enjoyed.
We enjoyed. Actually, we enjoy our own company. Yeah, because I used to club a lot. You know, clubs are open. I used to club a lot. Yeah, clubs are working, my dear.
Come on.
Clubs are working. 100%. All clubs.
Government hasn't lifted ban on clubs.
Every time I go on interview, if I have chance to face cameras, I say the clubs are open, bars are working.
Are you sure?
Every day.
In Uganda?
In Uganda, bars are working 24/7. Yeah.
That is news.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed your Valentine? Valentine was kawaii, everything was good?
I didn't even need that Alexi arrangement of dinner bichi. Our love, it was on balcony.
Why is it that every time you post your man, every time you post something about your husband or your boyfriend or your hubby or your boo, people in the comments come out and say it will end in tears?
They are jealousy. As like Ugandans, they think like that. They don't believe in love, actually. Some of them, they are single, stressed, in depression. So when they see you happy, actually, the only way you can recognize someone in you that is he or he a Ugandan.
Yeah.
Jealousy, no lugambo. Even if you're in abroad,
you can know that this one is a Ugandan
by jealousy.
So you want to tell the public it will not end in tears?
Tears, we are moving our relationship. This is the second year. Even if it's tears, and why they are relatives, let me cry my own.
So you want to tell me everything is moving on very well?
Very well. It's going. The man is not going.
What do you love most about your husband? What is so unique about him compared to other men you've seen previously?
Caring and understanding, and he accepted me with all my bruises the way I am. He's caring and loving. He's natural. Yeah, he's loving. He was raised by a strong mother, loving mother. So taina bikuyironga buno buvubuka bwoku street twala tugende kamyu. Mwana wa mbantu.
Okay.
Yakuzibwa omukyala mwana wa mbantu nnyo. No mwogera kulaba ka smile. Really nagwa mukwano. I'm in love.
So
I'm in love, baby. I'm in love. I'm in love. Nagwa mukwano. Muhabbati.
I know.
Naye mwogera ko bwogezi ka smile. Kavira ddala eri ku mutima.
Okay. What do you regret in the past relationships you've had with other men?
I wasted my time, and if I get opportunity, sobola bakuba kiboko munana buli omu. After all, I send them to prison. After prison, I deport them. Kunsize batamanyi, like they wasted a lot of my time. Bamalira obudde nasimatuka.
Some of them claim you wasted their time.
Tewali gwe na wasting a time. They used to benefit. Yibula, my exes benefited in me.
In terms of what?
In financially, loving. I'm telling you, Yibula, they benefited. Bona have no kabe even made benefited in me 3 billion. Alizisanga wakati. benefited.
So
I was born lucky.
Let us look at the past men you've had good time with. Who was the best amongst them?
Actually, the only person mu ex gwensola okwebaza, it's that white man.
David.
Eyasooka okuntambuza, nankolera passport. Na you know, kubanga I'm a slum girl. So yantekako ku level up to now. Jenchaiko people to see me.
Yeah.
Abasigadde, nothing good, nothing to regret. If I get opportunity, they can banish from Uganda. They deport them, Baba Wibana, Kenya.
Talking about the money you got, over 10 billion in Ugandan currency.
11 billion.
11 billion, thank you so much. What do you still have in the memory of that money? Something tangible. Let's say anything tangible you can show to someone that in the money I had, the 11 billion, I have this.
Okay, what I have a memory of prison. I have prison memory. In terms of that old money.
Things to do with things which are tangible, assets and whatever, you don't have any?
I have only ex-convict name. It's Chechobugaga Chinasigaza Kwezo Sete.
You don't have anything to show the world that...
I got that money in 2009.
Yeah.
They arrested me in 2011 January. So 1 year. Ebintu byonna bye nalina nga asete police n'ebitwala. Yeah.
You didn't save money like anywhere, like a hidden account, giving it to someone, like saving buying land and you buy it in other people's names.
I was enjoying life. Nakulira munnaku bwe nalaba ku sente nakyamuka IBRAH.
Wanji.
I just enjoyed myself and I'm not regretting it.
Do you still have hopes of getting that huge amount of money again?
Are you sure? Not that huge amount, but at least I'm not doing bad.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah, even if you remember 2019,
I remember you had a birthday party at Kingdom.
Hey, 200 million.
You splashed 200 million. Hey. Where did you get that money from?
I'm a dealer. I'm a hustler.
Okay. Someone told us that party was organized by Don Nasa.
No. Don Nasa was just a guest.
Okay.
He has never invested anything in my party. He was just a guest who brought 20 million as a gift.
So he gave you 20 million?
Yeah.
In return, what did you give him?
Nothing.
Why?
What for?
20 million is a huge amount of money.
He maybe. Yali kusasanya kumugagamu ne omanyi two birds of same feathers, they fly together.
Say it again.
Two birds of same feathers, they fly together.
So what does it mean literally? Explain to someone watching us. What does it mean?
Maybe we have something in common, but not sexuality. So he just gifted me 20 million.
Okay. By the way, have you ever been to Nigeria?
No. Ghana, yes.
You've been to Ghana? Did you do you hear from the other musician, Mr. Flavor?
By the way, let me make this clear. Mr. Flavor, we didn't do anything. He didn't date me because by that time, Sylvia Oli yali amwagala, Judith Hadi yali amwagala. Ne banywesa akayaga. Nensimuka. Nangamba, you have no class, go.
He chased you, but you had invested in a lot of money. How much did you give him?
No, naziwa Sylvia Oli. Zali nusu kasanvu.
Is that dollar?
Yeah, by that time.
What were you buying?
Kampan.
So you wanted him to do?
Kampan.
You wanted him to do?
He was so tall, banange muwanvu alingo fono. Muwanvu is not my type even. I was so shocked by seeing him. Muwanvu, and you know those musicians ke baba abawano, they are very ugly. That's editing ye balungi yamje bakola mbifananyi. So I was so disappointed before even I ngasina smoking.
Did you claim your $7,000 US?
By the way, one thing you should know about me, a loss is a loss. Sikabira matagayisa, I move on. I move on quickly.
Okay. So you don't hear from him?
No.
Okay. Crossing over to the social life currently, how do you spend your day? Monday to Friday, how do you spend your day?
Hustle.
Evenings?
Nowadays I changed my life according to the man I have. He hates bars, tayagala bya club, tayagala bichi. He's a fan of dinner. Ayagala nyo romantic dinner with a wine. So we get that every evening.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 6 times a week. So zino nakundala mbera nga I hustle. Mbera ku dating site nganonya ebizeize byengendo okufula bi victim ebirala.
What for? Because you said you're contented in a relationship.
Yeah,
why
but that
still
is business. That's my business.
Oh.
They are my business. Yeah.
Okay. So how many do you get on a daily on those dating sites? How many men do you
I
men
can
do you
get contacts. I don't get them physically, but I get contacts.
So you're in touch with them?
So actually I'm nari ngamba government enfulena ni ambassador wa tourism because nzo so baleta aba investor wano. Yeah.
Okay.
Na nlunga have interest buno mwaka kati ndi nkola byange.
Okay. So how do you spend your weekends?
On swimming pool mpuga kwenywera kabia kulira ka music n'abaana bange. That's how I spend my weekend.
Last time I was watching TV and I saw you in Nansana at Pastor Bugembe's church. I thought when you go to church, there are things you drop, like taking beers, smoking.
I don't smoke. I smoke shisha. I don't smoke cigarette.
But you take beer.
No, whiskey, beer, wine, buli kimu nkinywa kasa kibanga kitamiiza.
But you were with the man of God and
Yeah.
you made some confessions.
Yeah. But in the Bible, omanyi mulimu abalokole ba mirundi esatu. There are those are devotees. Mulimu ba pretender abafere, ne mubamu abalokole ngaffe.
So which category of born again you fall to?
Katonda yinyini, the Bible says there's a scripture say, a verse gamba. Jangu nga bwoli. Actually that is in Isaiah oba 1:6.
Let's put it in English. What does it say?
Wabula ye mu Luzungu. Niyinza okundetera obuzibu sigitegeera naye gambe olulunyi lugamba jangu nga bwoli.
Come as you are.
Ebibyo no bitwakadde. Ebibyo nga bingi. Ngenda binyiriza bibeere nga bandera enjeru. So you cannot change. That's not me. So being in the church, Katonda yagala mitima. And after all, they are not gods to judge. God loves heart. Tayagala. I'm not a pretender. That's why I'm so blessed because I got the way I am before God. I prayed. Ani yasinga Daudi obwenzi. Gwe. No gundi yenyini bawasala. Ibula si oyo. Abraham.
So Bad Black, lastly as we wind up. Any plot?
This year?
What's new this year? What plans you have for this year?
Chijja kubondaba. Chijja nji yasitudde.
Has the lockdown affected you in one way or the other?
Nedda. It has not affected him. The only thing, because I'm not traveling to the country, I always go. I don't go to Malaysia. That's all. Other stuff, lockdown trainer chenkozeko.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Ne watugalira tusigala tuwasolinga nkolera waka.
So someone out there would love to know if they want to do surgery. Recommend for them which countries and where and money.
Actually, in Dubai, they don't have a specialist. But it's very expensive in Dubai because the cheapest chosobola ofuna inza kubeera ku mutwalo gwa $. That's $37 million. The cheapest surgery chosobola ofuna in Dubai.
And what type of surgery is that, and on which part of the body?
They do all the surgeries. It depends which you want.
So you did the nose surgery?
Nakola nose, nakola reshaping, nenteekamu ne kano. Nyindo y'Abaganda ngensuseeko.
So how much did that surgery cost you?
Eno surgery ey'ennyindo nasooka nenkola surgery yasooka e Dubai eya mabeere. Doctor nanteekako oversize nga ninga kakantuni. Nenzira nengende Bangkok nenfuna doctor mu China n'abijjamu so my boobs gaddayo ku nomo. Nankolera ennyindo mitwalo ebiri eja $, seja wano.
Okakasa.
Kubanga yali nene anti eva kuno pakeni. Nga ino gishapinga bwati. Kubanga yali nene. Ffe bajjajja baffe ab'Masaka balina ennyindo abo bansumba. Era oje tuno yali bweti erimu n'akagulu n'agigira n'agizza n'agiteeka mu bwati kwegamba nanga sente zimusaana kati ninga mulaalo kumbe nze namuyimba
tunula kene tulabe ate ayina engeri gye
yagikola ate kati in the process of by the end of this year njagala nteekemuko akabasheshe saagala nnyo mulimu abakazi ate bamukola eno akabina bulungi nnyo ne bamukola hips ate obugulu ne busigala nga bwannamuŋŋoona I want to match muganda wange
owaayi kati enyindo eyo tekuluma
tennumangako kyabbeeyi kiba kyabbeeyi cheap things are expensive cheap things are expensive bw'oyagala ekintu ekiri layisi senga byayiikayiika dda naye okola ekintu ekiri permanent invest in it
Okay, Black tugenda kumuleka tubere nga tumwerekereza agende akwasaganye emirimu gye emirala of course naye nga njagala kwebaza obuddebo tukwatagane ku Friday inshallah
kantumire ku mwami wange akali special muna abasajja babula IBRAH sijja bafuuka babula
okakasa abasajja babuze
bafuuka abasajja bayayi bali mu polygamy betaaya baby
mutumira omwami
baby I confess baby I confess my love to you I love you from the time I seated here I'm missing you like no tomorrow I love you very much thank you for giving me peace and condolence every time I love you bye bye honey I love you baby I love him in special care. Special, I love you, darling. You're my everything. From heart to north to east, you are one in the only, my only lover. I love you so much, Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving me.
I know. I know. Kakati baby tamanyi Luganda.
My baby no yasoma nya ina nebipapula no. Yeah.
Ebipapula byawo.
Yasoma byonna senior 4 senior 6 Makerere. Yeah. So my baby is well.
Lwaki toddayo n'osoma gwe? Lwaki toddayo n'osoma?
Bampe.
Lwaki toddayo n'osoma?
Bamperere. Bali waliwo bali bampa offer banteekeyo simanya ku Cavendish. Oba biririddawo ebyo. I have no time for school. Ngenda tawanya basomesa babwerere. Na kucyankalanya somero.
Tocha obojja kucyankalanya abayizi.
Abayizi.
Owaayi baby ogambye omwagala north east south ne bice biba bitegeeza ki?
North east like mwagala mu buli kona buli kakona akafulumya empewo. It's like a campus. I love him in every corner which breathes. Yeah, east, west, north, south. Hair.
Okimanyi nti ffe abatali mulavu otwagaza okudda mulavu.
Yeah, mwagala kati olaba campus things kati buli kawewo. That's why omukwano guba gulina okuvaawo. So omukwano gwe yandifunye mu east, agufuna mu west, agufuna ayina bonna.
Okay.
So he got all my love.
Okay.
I love you, honey.
That's very good. Okay. Kale kakati lastly nga tuwunzika. Point yo kuba nti buli katundu akafulumya omukka. Abantu bayinza obutakategeera. Koba obategeeza tuwunzike.
And like my love, like it's a campus. When there is a campus, vajikuba east, no, west, south. Kati ezo buli mu west omuko oguvaayo. Oguve Mbalala, oguve Tolo, oguve Bugisu. Yengeri gye mwagala love yange eveeyo neddeno kati talina we yeetaayiza. Is under arrest in my love. Ate omukazi gotasobola kuwabulayo omukazi ali mu love n'agoberera prophet. Balayi tebawulira. Tetuwulira. Ne bw'omugamba nti oyo mulogo musezi tawulira. Ne wansiba n'agamba kati bagenda kunzita ntambula ntwala mutwe. Ate siri mu love. Okay. Naye nga I love him. I love you very much, Asha. Very much. Mwana abantu nkwagala nnyo mukwano. Hey! I know. Oline kuwulira mu mulago. Asaaga. Mama. Wanji? Teri kugenda. Omwana tabanga wamuteeka muka cutex. Ali ku original oyo musabi. musabi nnyo ayogera n'ennimi omanyi bano abalokola abasabi
ashara baba
abo
asabira wa musumba ki asabira wano
musabi mwadiventi mwadiventi
ate goli muki IBRAH kuli mu ddiini kikati
nze inshallah Mungu nga bw'aba nnuŋŋamizza gye mbeera ndi kati mulokole amulokole
oli mulokole wa musumba ki
abula basumba nina bangi nina wa Pastor Kayanja nina Pastor Bugembe nina Pastor Bujingo zezo chachi so Sunday no wena asabiranga wa Bujingo ngeri ngende wa Bugembe naye I think kati wali amafuta nalabyewo ani ayina amafuta Bugembe ne Bujingo bayina amafuta
agaddala wagawulidde
Pastor Bujinga onabawala bangamba abula Pastor Bujingo tagoba abantu abawala abo bamalaya bangamba we bagendayo bafuna bye baagala
abasabira ne babifuna
tabasaya basabira ku ttaka lyawo ne bafuna miracles ne bafuna abazungu bali Germany
mbadde nsaba osabire show yaffe eno nga tuwunzika tuwe saale eggalawo
njibawe mu Luganda
tuweeyo oluzungu
Antikati simanyi. Dear Lord, we thank you so much. And vloga na kusa masuga katonda. Kanzibirire. Ande chikulu manyi nnyo Oluganda nze namuyimbo ebitabo manyi fizi naziri ayibula. Tuweyo
Oluganda.
Mukama tukwebaza olwa sheno.
Otuweyo ne duwemu
mukama tukwebaza olwa sheno. Tukwebaza nkwebaza olwa IBRAH mukwano gwange nebbanga lyotukumye ate nkwebaza olwa Spark TV ne program gye batuwadde tukkiriza nti eno program yegenda okubanga esinga osaanidde ogulumizibwe Katonda Abraham ne Isaac ne Yakobo oweebwe ekitiibwa ggwe era nkwebaza wabula ndi mukalu sirina amafuta gasaba kyovula ebigambo biriwe ebityamiina
okay tuweeyo ne duwemu mu Luwarabu
oyagala okay
tuweeyo na Bismillahirrahmanirrahim
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Warrahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin Amin IBRAH Kasagemanya gate tugenda kubanga tusukkawo wano nenga nkugamba nti mubeere bulungi njala kwebaza Idris Lukwago Daniel Mugoya Tony Senabulya ne Keith Kanabi. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mubeere bulungi mweraba. Omusuubuzi awangalire Uganda n'awangalire China nkugamba nti kampani emu egenda okunaazaako ennaku bagiyise Sun Cargo Shipping Company nga bano bagenda kusaabaliza emaali okuva e China paka Mombasa mu nnaku 18 zokka ate nga gwe omusuubuzi ateteganyizibwa olw'essente nga zibulako ez'okusuubula aba Sun Cargo mwana wattu bakuyamba okujjulirizaawo essente n'osuubula ekyo ky'oyagala okusuubula okireete katale kitambule bulungi bw'okituusa n'obaddizaawo essente ate naawe ayagala okusuubula nga ky'oyagala okusuubula okimanyi naye tomanyi wekisangibwa mu China mwana wattu Sun Cargo Shipping Company bajja kuvuga butereevu mu China mwonna osuubule ky'oyagala okusuubula ate bamale bakikusaabalize okuva e China paka Mombasa ate okuva e Mombasa bakikuvugire paka mu warehouse ez'enjawulo mu Kampala mu ggwanga Uganda Sun Cargo Shipping Company ku lw'abasuubuzi n'ensuubula ennungi beekwate Muganda wange awangalira mu bitundu bya Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah nkugamba nti company eriemu ezze okubanga ekubangula mu byenjawulo. Company manyiddwa nga Roast Coffee Academy nga bano bakafulu mu barista, latte art, manual brewing trainings, coffee roasting ne coffee profiling nga bano basangibwa mu Abu Dhabi okuliraana Al Wada Mall ku luguudo olumanyiddwa nga Airport Road. Beekwate bwe bamala okuteekateeka n'okutraininga bamala ne bakunoonyeza omulimu. Obeera okyasoma bwoti nga bo bakunoonyeza mulimu era nga nkubira bannayuganda omulanga abawangalira Abu Dhabi, Dubai ne Sharjah. Mwekwate Roast Coffee Academy era nga trainer amanyiddwa nga Tiger the Trainer. Gwolutuka ku Roast Coffee Academy awo mu bitundu bya Al Wada Mall obuuza bubuuza nti mwami Tiger the Trainer aliwa. Buli kimu nga kitambula kawerette. Beekwate buli kimu kitambule bulungi nnyo.